So this is very similar to the XY indexing, but this is helped by some of the features that you find in the machine tool. So instead of, if your machine tool was not sophisticated enough to offer work zero offset programming, then you would use our CAM system's XY instancing abilities to actually copy the toolpaths in multiple places. But some machine tools actually offer the ability to define work zeros and perform fixture offsets, which means you can tell the machine tool that, hey, move this program to this particular location and run it. And you can do it multiple times. So it's all of that is taken care of with the machine tool. And all you need to do in the CAM system is output a G54, typically a G54, with the XYZ coordinates of the new zero, and you can do it any number of times to create multiple parts. So that's what fixture offset programming is.
Okay, so what if you have four parts you want to machine in one setup? Okay, so basically you just create the machining operations just like before in one time. Okay, and we got them under a work zero, and this work zero is located at this coordinate system, 00 Z at 1.625. That's right here at the top of this workpiece, your first workpiece. And we're outputting the G54 as well. Check this box and enter the G54 there, and then it'll output it when you post. So what we're going to, all you have to do, we actually have a mop set up, a mop set here. You don't really need a mop set. Well, it just makes it more convenient to grab all of these together and move them around, and you can create a mop set up here from the Tools and Utilities menu. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to create another work zero. Okay, and I have the coordinates written down here to make it a little bit easier. So we're going to go 0, 0. That's the first one. For the second one, we're going to go 7.5, 0, 1.625, turn on the G54 and generate it. So there's our second one. And we might as well go ahead and do the other two while we're at it. And we can rename this, and we'll call this work offset 2. And we'll create another one. And for the third one, we're going to set it to 0, 7.5. And these are just the coordinates of the locations of the other instances. So, and then the third will be 6.25. So we're going to generate that. That's the third one. And we'll call this work offset 3. And we'll create one more. And the fourth one will be 7.5 by 7.5 by 1.625. And we'll call this work offset 4. Okay. So basically you create it once and then move it over under the work zero, and it'll output in that position. Let's go ahead and post this so we can move on. We'll do a post all. And let's go ahead and look for, just look for work zero. Do edit bind. There's your work zero. There's your second work zero. Here's your G54. And then your next one. And then your next one. And your next one. Well, that was your last one. So you're posting out each operation in the indexed location. Okay, so let's move on since we're running short on time here. I don't want to spend too much time on one part. We got a lot of parts to show you.